we got a box. What's in the box? Actually, it's another shelf. Let me show you. So, I have a little bit of room for my pantry. This is my pantry shelves now. So I got a little bit of room from here to the wall, or to here. So this is a rolling, very narrow, I think it's 6 shelf. Not sure how tall it is, about that tall, I guess. But it's gonna go right here. And then, if I can't reach stuff in the back, I just roll it out. So, yeah, let's put it together. Okay, it comes in a little bitty box, doesn't it? A, D, yeah. Lots of assembly on this one, too. There's a shelf, though. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Now, let's start putting it together. Okay, there it is. It's not as tall as I was thinking, but it's all right. It's got 6 shelves. That will work. Now let's see if it'll fit. No, it'll fit. Okay, there it is. Now, just load it up. Load it up with some food. All right, for dinner tonight, I have shrimp. It's like shrimp cocktail. And I have frozen cooked shrimp from Walmart. The ones without the tail are not dehydrated, freeze-dried from Thrive Life. So I thought I had enough for both of us, but so I added a little bit of the freeze-dried. Got some
wonderful
sushi.
Sushi?
Yeah, crackers, cheese. Lemon shrimp cocktail. That's it.
Nice.